Morning, we're here in Amble, Northumberland. Just the car boot round the corner, Saturday car boot. Gonna see what we can find. I did say I was gonna come somewhere new, so we'll get there on in a moment and see what we can find. Make sure to smash that like button and press subscribe. I've got my Costa coffee ready to go. Get the bargains, happy days.
And put them in between one of his, what do you call it?
Am I alright looking at your clock, pal? Can I look at your clock? Can I look in at the back of your clock? Does it open the back?
Aye.
Is it working now?
The clock works.
Right.
It's lost its pendulum, but it's still
Yeah.
electric ones. It doesn't make. Unless it's a trading bundle. The train's supposed to move down, but it doesn't move for some reason. The door's open, it makes a noise, but this bit's not working.
How much have you got on that?
If you hang it up and put them on the bottom.
Yeah.
I'm looking for 20 for it, because it is a nice piece now.
No, it is, yeah.
I don't know if there's much wrong with that till
Right. I'll have a walk about and I'll think about that, mate. I think it's just a shame. There's a few things wrong with it, but it wants 20 quid, which is fair. Morning, pal. How much is your ashtray? You
What?
4x.
A couple of quid. New brakes in it. Like.
Oh, mate, for a couple of quid, it's mine.
You
Do
bother?
you know what? I had one in the garden, but I ended up selling it. I've got another one now, but that's lovely. That I'll give you a couple of quid for that.
I thought I would have went to the thing for that. We had
What's that?
No, well, he's got a mate that owns a pub. Well, his nephew owns a pub.
Yeah, do you want to give it him then? Is that alright? Yeah.
I didn't think he'd bothered about ashtrays because he smoked.
I get attached to it. I love having my fag in a proper old ashtray. It's great.
Brings back memories, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, throwing one round someone's head. Done some damage in the past, haven't they, these things, when they're getting launched.
Decorating every 2 years. Every year, I mean.
Yeah.
People collecting them. You've got hundreds of them. Right.
Cheers, mate.
That's 2 quid. Right, thank you very
Happy
much.
days, thank
Yeah,
you.
okay.
Nice one.
Will you back put that in?
Oh, that'd be brilliant, that.
Yeah, we're going to put them. I was going to restore that. It's supposed to be a light behind it. Yeah.
Alright.
So the Wolseley, that's part of the radiator. Fits on the front of the radiator, the Wolseley.
Of a what?
Wolseley.
Wolves, I'm clueless with a lot of things, mate. But it just looks nice.
1940s, I think.
And how much is that?
I was looking for a tenner for it.
Yeah.
Well, I restored it over the last month.
Thank you anyway.
Yes.
Have a good day. Yeah. Morning, pal. Do you have any cave nests? Yeah, right.
I stopped getting them because nobody wanted them.
Really?
And of course, you just for them.
My mate collects them, so if I find them, I don't know any other brands to be honest, so just thought I'd ask. What size is your smack, mate?
This?
Yeah?
I think it's pretty big in.
Is it?
One side
Is it chunky size or what? Alright, let me put this. I'm just going to put my coffee down on the floor. I'll just bang it here. How much you got on this? Sorry?
See if it fits first.
No, it doesn't matter about that. Sorry? You take 6?
What's that?
6?
Ah, it fits.
Yeah.
I'm surprised people didn't buy the boots. They said Raisin's got enough.
What the what?
The boots.
Takes you back smelling that. Bit of boot. Oh, the old spice. I'll just bang this in my bag and I'll sort you out, pal. Just have a look at that watch.
Yeah, battery in that means you better get a battery in it.
One round the corner there, isn't there? It's surely seen somewhere. How much is this?
£5.
A £5. That's
Right. I'll tell you what, because you'll get a battery for it. I think what's a battery? £2?
£3.50, but mate, I'm not going to do you for that. It's a £5. You know what I mean? I just like a hard one.
Well, you made sure it was working, you know.
It's nice, isn't it? I'll give you a £5 for that, mate. I'll give you 6 for that, £5 for that, yeah? Is that alright?
We'll see a tenner for the two. I'm not going to put enough.
You just want to give me a better deal. That's pretty good, isn't it? First time on this car boot, so I'll give you a tenner. Well, as long as you're happy. That's staying on there because you can't get. It's the thing with car boots, even if it's not working, I've only spent a £5, and you know what I mean. So, thank you very much for that, mate. Have a good day. Oh. Does Batman, Superman, does he fly?
Yeah.
Does it? How much you want for him? If it does, then you get £2, don't you? Alright, you reckon this Superman's that good? Let's see then. Oh, that works. Jesus. It's a bit of fun, isn't it? I'll give you £2 for that, love. What's this one? We do £3 for 2? I'm just going to test it spins. It's spinning. Yeah, spinning around. Lovely. Thank you.
Thank you, my darling.
Have a good day.
Lovely.
Bye bye. Let's go and see if the timepiece works for me old mucker here. Are you the battery man? You knew what I was after then. See, we've got a fibber over there saying it works. If it don't, it don't. Alright, buy a watch and walk over here and get a battery in it. All being well. Absolute lovely place this. Got all the lobster pots. You can imagine fishermen coming in. Well, plenty of lobster, getting paid a load of money. But obviously they're going to have them days when they're not catching, not getting paid. Fucking hell, that was quick. Chuffing hell, that was quick. Does it work, mate? Oh, good on him. Happy days. Yeah, right.
I do Western and Friday North.
Pikachu. That's pretty cool, that. That'd be a nice display, wouldn't it? How much is this your style, look? Yeah, but you can see that. Would you do 4? Yeah, thank you. There's a tenner, love. Thank you.
I've got it, it's alright, yeah. A good 5.
Yeah. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Well, I'll be back at dinner time. I'm not going to the horse's field. I'm not going to the horse's field.
Excuse me. You know, in your bus, have you got any miners or anything like that? We've got a Geordie Stevenson at home, but I want a miner. It's not like just to go alongside it. It saves me looking.
Right, there's no one.
Do you know what? That's exactly the same as what I seen the other day, and I didn't buy
Right,
it.
see you then.
How much are they?
7 each. It's cheap.
Yeah. 7.
It's cheap.
I won't do 7, like.
You won't?
No, because what was it the other day?
I'm a bad mate. I did York, mate. I said,
No, fair play, mate.
15.
Yeah.
15 to 10 for them.
Yeah, no, yeah. No, Yeah, no worries, man. Thank you. 7.
No,
Anything else apart from vodka? Whiskey? I'll tell you right. Had a choice there, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll come in then.
Yeah. Just need to heat them. Oh yeah, the cactus.
So now you put your order in for bacon sandwiches, huh?
Not my first rodeo.
For the people that's got the wheelchairs. That's the sort of that would be.
Maybe, I don't know. This, I don't know what it is. I don't know.
Old Meccano.
Yeah, because look, called the...
Old
see,
Meccano.
yeah, see, maybe this... Maybe the people buy, I don't know. Yeah.
I'm surprised what some
Morning. I thought that was a dwarf red dog. A manual of good English. There you go.
I think you wash your dishes on it.
I gotta wash the dishes. Got to wash the dishes.
Oh, you want the back?
Yeah, clear.
How much is on you, Paul? We do 2? Are there? I'm just going to test the spin out on it. Hey!
Now you can do it.
Yeah. Love a good spin.
morning, Rory. Yeah, not too bad.
You're the genius lamps, aren't you?
Yeah, I like my lamps.
I've just bought some.
It's pretty cool, that. We'll put that down. Surprised that 4X ashtray ain't smashed, because I keep just putting it down, forgetting that I've got. It's dead organised, this. Can I take this lamp? It's out of that bag. The box, yeah. Quick.
Coffee's here, it's all working.
Yeah, sound. Thank you.
Lovely, thanks very
Cheers,
much.
mate.
Cheers.
Or is that actually attached to it? I wondered what it was.
Excuse me.
The Portaloos?
Oh.
The best ones are along there, just on the left-hand
Oh,
side.
right. I think I've seen something.
No, let her go in the Portaloos.
Oh, a bit.
Oh, I'm used to it, mate. I'm always on the car boots. They're terrible, aren't they?
We call them the Turdus.
The Turdus. Oh, fair play, mate. It made me chuckle.
I'll go.
I want to have a go in the Turdus.
No, I want to go. I don't want to go on the Turdus.
They're better over there. You come out human.
Nice one, mate. Thank you. The Turdus. That's Amble car boot done. Had some nice pickups then. It's a beautiful place. Had a bit of fun. People were nice. So smash that like button, press subscribe,